Hi, I'm Bianca. In this video, I would like to share with you the swatches of the Chroma Watercolor set. I hope this video can help you decide to purchase a new set of watercolors to add to your art supplies. So stay with me until the end so you can see all the colors and what colors they can make when mixed. This is just a swatching video and no reviews yet. I'll make a review of these paints maybe after 6 to 12 months. The colors in this set are quinacridone gold, bubble teal, green gold, transparent emerald orange, dioxazine purple, and quinacridone magenta. I'm swatching quinacridone magenta and see the colors it can make when mixed with other colors. It's red but more of purple side. This time I'm swatching transparent pyrrole orange. It's fiery orange color. I'm swatching quinacridone gold. It's a warm yellow, and I think this is a good alternative to yellow ochre. If you find this video helpful, kindly tap the like button. If you want to see videos like this, subscribe and make sure you have the bell notification on so you'll be notified if I upload a new video. This is green gold. It's earthy yellow with a touch of green. I'm swatching cobalt teal, a bright, cool bluish green. This is dioxazine purple. It's a bright purple and it's more of the blue side. Here are the colors of the core high chroma watercolor set. They are very bright and it looks like these colors are useful in every painting.